Welcome to the South Carolina Preservation Toolkit. This video will demonstrate how to answer the question, I want to connect with my fellow preservationists on social media. Connecting with fellow preservationists and fellow folks who are doing preservation work is a really great way to ensure the success of your project and to make sure that you are connecting with people across the state who are doing similar work to you. Under Tools, we have a tool called Community and Connections. This link right here, Join Today, will lead you to our Facebook group. So you'll see here the We Go Just South Carolina Preservation Toolkit page. You will have to request to join the Facebook group as it is a closed group in order to protect the members. And we share information about preservation projects across the state that are happening, and folks can share requests for information. They can connect with each other with specific questions and asks, and it's a really great resource to be able to unite people across the state rather than working in individual silos. So that's a great way to connect with folks on social media. Another way, if you wanted to connect with fellow preservationists, would be to go across the top here and look at our news and notes. So our news and notes is our blog feature. And under our blog, you'll see first our highlighted post. And then if you scroll down further, you'll see all of the posts down here that you can click on. You can also click on individual tags here. So if you want to find out more about specific projects. But this might be a good way to connect with folks because if you click on a specific blog, you can learn more about a specific project and about the people involved in that project. And oftentimes they've included ways to get involved and ways to get in touch with them. So that can be a really helpful tool as well. And then one final thing that will show if you wanted to connect with people who are doing similar work to you is if you go under Tools and you look at Preservation Projects, you will see our preservation projects map, where you can find out more about projects across the state. And oftentimes they have included ways to get in touch with them and ways to find out more as well. Thanks so much for joining us.